What's up everyone, Phil Moments here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim sounds on TikTok. Now the good news is this is super simple and only takes a few seconds once you know where to look up. So let's jump right into it. Alright, the first thing you want to do is open up TikTok. At the bottom of your screen, go ahead and tap on this plus button. This is where you create a new video. Once you're in the recording screen, look at the very top and click on add sound. Now you see a bunch of sound options. You can browse trending sounds, search for a specific song, or choose any sound that you like. For example, I'm just going to select a random sound. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to see a preview of that audio. Now, here's the important part. Next to the sound, you'll see a small scissor. That's the trim button. Go ahead and tap on it. It allows you to select a specific portion of the song, usually 15-second section, that you want to use in your video. You can simply swipe left or right to move through the track. Let's say I want to use a part that starts around 26 seconds. Once you found that exact part you want, click done. And just like that, TikTok loads the specific section in your video. Now you can record the video as normal or upload the video from your gallery. The sound will automatically start at the portion that you selected. If you change your mind, no worries, you can click on the sound again, reopen the trim button, select a different part of that song, and you're done. Your video will stay the same. TikTok will just update the audio portion that you selected. So that's exactly how you trim sounds on TikTok. Super simple, it takes just a few seconds and it gives you way more control over your content. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.